everyday style.
What if real life was like bad Wi-Fi?
So with the changes to slides 3 and 4, we'll have a really compelling
Mom, your boss is here!
Well, this is a surprise.
Leanne, well, see, this is
Come on.
Bad Wi-Fi interrupts life itself. Thankfully, there's Lyra, the whole home Wi-Fi system. Lyra uses 3 wirelessly connected hubs to deliver a super fast, reliable, and secure Wi-Fi signal to every corner of your home. Finish setup with a few quick taps using Lyra's mobile app. Thanks to Lyra's tri-band design, one of the bands is dedicated to connections between Lyra hubs. The dedicated band and smart antenna design of each Lyra allows you to enjoy full coverage on all your Wi-Fi devices, from the living room to the backyard. Your Wi-Fi device automatically connects to the strongest Lyra hub, so it works smoothly and seamlessly when moving from room to room. ASUS Lyra, corner-to-corner Wi-Fi.
Aurora, the most powerful and portable screenless projector. Take it with you anywhere you go. The CC Aurora is an audio and video entertainment center, all in the palm of your hand. Simply move the slider to start. It will autofocus in less than 3 seconds. Projecting at 720p HD resolution, and powered by a built-in high-performing CPU that supports 4K videos. CC Aurora gives you the best cinematic experience both indoors and out. The 20,000 milliamp battery brings plenty of play or standby time. With a 180-inch large HD projection area, you can project beyond traditional screen limits. Built with Keystone Correction System, the XGIMI CC Aurora can project a total square screen at any angle, perfect for small spaces. The JBL Stereo 40mm dual speaker with passive bass diaphragm pumps out rich, acoustically amazing sound that will complete the cinematic experience. Wi-Fi capability means it's easy to play videos right off your phone, iPad, or laptop. Free yourself from wires and cables with Strat sharing videos anytime and anywhere. This is the ultimate combination of utility and minimalism. Bring XGIMI CC Aurora on the road and enjoy cinema-quality entertainment whenever you want. XGIMI CC Aurora, born to be simple.
This is the GDC Money Clip. It holds your cash, up to 5 cards, and a 1.75-inch fine-edge stainless steel blade. At just 3.6 total inches, the Money Clip fits easily into your pocket. When you need the blade, just grab the ring, release the lock, and pull. The thumb notch ensures a solid hold that won't budge. After you're done, the blade snaps back into the super sturdy steel sheath shielded by a G10 composite plate. This is function, utility, and style in your pocket. This is the GDC Money Clip.
Introducing Vobolt, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobolt is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobolt. Just tap and say, "Set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day." To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobolt over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Vobolt. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, Vobolt is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Vobolt can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features